Your teacher for today. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to classify materials based on the ability to absorb water. Experimenting is exciting. Get ready. I know you are ready for this activity. At this point, bring out your module for our lesson today and turn it on page 2. You are going to choose and encircle the letter of the correct answer. You have 1 minute to do the activity. Are you done, class? Now, let's check your answer. The answer for number 1 is letter A, non-porous materials. The answer for number 2 is letter B, rag made of clothes. The answer for number 3 is letter A, metal spoon. The answer for number 4 is letter C. Some materials have small holes. The answer for number 5 is letter D. Porous materials. The answer for number 6 is letter A. Metal fork. The answer for number 7 is letter B. Zinc. The answer for number 8 is letter C. Gold. The answer for number 9 is letter D, floater. And the answer for number 10 is letter A, float. Well done! You've got a perfect score! At this point, turn your module on page 4 for a review. Do this with your sweet smile. Group the materials according to the state of matter. Complete the chart. Again, you have 1 minute to do the activity. Now, let's check your answer. For solid, we have salt, towel, cotton, paper, pencil, and table. Under the liquid, we have water and vinegar. And the gas is oxygen. Very good! Let us name the materials that we are going to use for this activity. rubber ball, cotton balls, rag, t-shirt, sponge, paper, paste towel, plastic bottle, pencil, and styrofoam. Find out if the materials absorbs water and if the materials does not absorb water. Observe the characteristic of the materials before we place it inside the basin. We're going to put these materials into the basin with water. First, we have this rubber ball, and then the cotton balls, and then the rag, t-shirt, and then the sponge, paper, paste towel, plastic bottle, pencil, and styrofoam. Let's find out what happened to the materials after 15 seconds. Did all the materials absorb water? Let's find out! The rubber ball did not absorb the water. The water is still present in a basin. The sponge absorbed the water. Look, the water disappeared. The rag absorbed the water. Again, the water disappeared. The t-shirt absorbed the water. The water disappeared. The paper absorbed the water. Look, the water disappeared. The paste towel absorbed the water. The water disappeared. The plastic bottle did not absorb the water. The water is still present in a basin. The pencil did not absorb the water. Again, the water is still present in a basin. The styrofoam did not absorb the water. The water is still present in a basin. Should the materials absorb water? What are the materials made of? Cotton balls, rag, t-shirt, sponge, paper, paste towel are porous materials. They absorb water. Rubber balls, plastic bottle, pencil, and styrofoam did not absorb water. They are non-porous materials. Now let us answer the chart.
10 minutes, here we go.
Number 1 is rubber ball. Characteristics of the materials before adding water is dry. After adding water is wet, and X does not absorb water. Number 2 is cotton balls. Dry, wet, absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. Number 3, rag. Dry, wet or absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. T-shirt, dry, wet or absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. Sponge, dry, wet or absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. Paper, dry, wet or absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. Face towel, dry, wet or absorbent. Check, it absorbs water. Plastic bottle, dry, wet. X does not absorb water. Pencil, dry, wet. X, it does not absorb water. Styrofoam, dry, wet. And X, it does not absorb water. Very good! You've got the perfect score! Now let us answer the following question. When you squeeze each of the materials, what comes out of them? Water. Number 2 question. Which of the materials absorb water? Cotton balls, rag, t-shirt, sponge, paper, and face towel. Number 3 question. What are these materials made of? Materials. Number 4 question. Which materials do not absorb water? Good job! Rubber balls, plastic, bottle, pencil, and styrofoam. Number 5 question. What are these materials made of? materials. Take note of this word. Absorb. To take in something such as a liquid in a natural or gradual way. Porous materials are materials having small holes that allow air or liquid to pass through. Here are some examples. Cotton, sponge, towel. Non-porous materials are materials that does not allow air or liquid to pass through. Here are some examples of non-porous materials. Cup, plastic bottle, and bowl. Now let us challenge yourselves to learn more. Turn your module on page 7. What's more? Which material absorbs water and which do not? Let's wrap up what I have learned today. We have learned that there are different materials in our environment that can be classified according to their properties. They can be classified based on their ability to absorb water. Some materials can absorb more than others. If you have questions or clarifications, you can text or call your teacher, or you can message them through your group chat, Messenger, or Facebook if available. You can drop your output in the provided boxes in your respective school. On the next broadcast or telecast, you will learn materials that float and sink and materials that undergo decay. Be sure to tune in on our school on air every Wednesday at 8:30 to 9 o'clock in the morning. This has been Teacher Jonalyn, your science teacher for today. Always remember, everything you do now is for your future. So study hard, stay home, keep safe, and God bless everyone.